gonna introduce you guys to a product I've been using for years now, and it is a wave mousse, or apply heat, pressure, and tension. The 3 ways to train hair. Shout out to OG Walker. After you shampoo and condition, towel dry, then apply a handful of Red Alert. A real healthy amount. We got a new brush. Luxury do-rag. On the top of the do-rag, apply pressure to his crown area, and really watch as the hairs lay down. I'm literally gonna push these hairs down with the do-rag and bring it forward. And you gotta see it through, my boy. Gotta see it through all the way to the front. I have not let go of any of the tension I just created. Use my finger to push down and grab that tension in the back. And I haven't let go of either hand yet. Pressure's still being applied. Now all I'm doing is wrapping this around. I wanna do this in slow motion for you guys. Make sure I'm not rushing so you can see every detail. This is what you want your clients to be wearing every night as they sleep. I encourage my clients to wear these because very effective at making a haircut last longer. I've wrapped each side around one time. Tie it as if you're about to tie your shoes. And just do that twice. With the back of the head, I can pull the do-rag down and watch the tension disappear on the top. Boom. And you can literally see hairs poking through. You know that we're getting some tension. Same thing in the front. I'm gonna pull this down. And you can see it laying down. When it comes to being at a higher price point as a barber, you want to do anything you can to make the cut last longer. I can make these waves lay down, and the client can keep the do-rag on, sleep at night when they're brushing, all that. That makes the cut last longer. That's what we're trying to do, is an all natural cut that doesn't wash off. The do-rag is for the tension, the blow dryer is for the heat, and this is for the experience, to be honest. That's all that really does. But I can actually feel the waves drying. So I'm gonna go hot, I'm gonna go medium heat. So right now, as I'm going through the waves, I can feel the moisture. Even through the glove, I can actually feel the mousse in his head. So as I go through this, I'll also notice it's starting to dry, and I can feel the waves, the definition in the waves as I'm actually laying them down. Unwrap, it's time to reveal the waves. Boom. Time for the hairline. As you can see, this corner is the contrast we have compared to here. There's a small light spot on this corner and this corner, but it's not as bad. So that means that when we go into the lineup, we need to be careful and start with the light side and then bring it to the middle, and then we'll finish this side and bring it to the middle. Grab you some Barbasol shaving cream, apply it to 2 fingers. That's all you need to make magic. I'm applying it to all these areas. We want the waves to be moisturized. Grab our hot towel, lay it under the nose, pull it tight. I got some of that gold. What does that say? XXIV, 25 karat gold. Bit to our finger, around. Just adds to the experience. Same hair massager that we use for the wave treatment. It's the wrapper cut.
I already get my own video and shit.
Do it.
I'm going up right now, man. Jamaica.
This is the Jamaica cut, the Jamaican wrapper.
I can see for a second.
Sometimes this is a great time for a client to show off that his barber does something they ain't doing. So you gotta let them see. The Jamaican wrapper cut is coming together.
Yes, sir.
Luxury. VIP.
Yeah.
5 stars, all
Shit
of that.
costs money, man. Shit ain't cheap.
You can hit the temple area. That's usually a good spot to hit. A lot of people will enjoy this and just relax. But aside from the experience, they get to enjoy and all that. Really, the whole point is, when I wipe this off, I just removed all the natural oils out of the skin. I just removed all the dirt and anything that's going to interfere with us getting a sharp, all natural, clean hairline. Clean hair is the easiest to get sharp lineup. I'm gonna set my guideline right in the middle, and then I'm gonna start on each corner and work my way back to the middle. The hitter trimmer. These are 0 gapped, as well as the blade is sharpened. I got the blade sharpened from Clipper Grinder. Tell them Jay Faded sent you. Modified blades. Right there. That's where I got this. Now since this is 0 gaps, everybody's skin is sensitive. It isn't a particular client, you know. It doesn't matter if you're cutting kids or adults. Nobody's hair likes to be, or nobody's skin likes to be irritated. You're a barber, you're cutting the hair, not the skin. So you gotta be very careful with the 0 gaps and modified blade. Notice how I just comb through, and I'm creating a ghost line on this corner. There's no need to push it back. I'm gonna come here and go to the middle. Ooh, be sharp, we're looking good. I'm gonna keep combing through without pushing it back. All I wanna do is comb through and bring any loose hairs forward and chop those off. Now I'm gonna hit the corner bars. The only thing I wanna do here is go from here to here and have these corners meet. Boom. I'm not going to bring this back at all. Where this is where it's gonna stay. But however, this corner needs to be sharp. So you see some hairs already falling out of place, and those are the only hairs that we're gonna cut. Let's see if I can turn this way. We're gonna go to the other side, do the same thing.
Boy.
The Jamaican cut.
Yeah.
Stay tuned. Last thing I want to show, when the haircut is finished, I have about 4 different methods that I will use to lay any hairs that are standing up down. When it comes to a wave pattern, as you see on top, the hair is long and it lays flat, so it creates a wave pattern. These really curls though, that are just laid down on the head. And any hairs that are sticking up, I have 4 ways to take it down to get very detailed. When I was growing up in the barbershop, I would see this and think it was cool. If you're doing this for the first time, be extremely careful and use both hands. I'm gonna tilt you to your left. Grab your razor comb on top of your comb.